7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at general crypto market. The market is dumping right now. Is the relief rally over? Are we going to Goblin Town? In this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin is trading for $22,761 at the point of recording this video. The crypto market is still in fear, and we'll also be looking at news stories happening in the crypto market. We'll be looking at some other indexes to tell us where the market is going. How should we be handling this relief rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, it looks as if we're heading back to Goblin Town. All the huge gainers, all the altcoin gains we've had in the last week, it looks as if it's getting taken away from us. Right now, we still have a green week, we still have a green month. Maybe it is just a correction, but only time will tell. Right now, Bitcoin is trading for $22,700. It looks as if Bitcoin is dumping. But guys, even though Bitcoin is dumping, it has not still set a new lower low. We want Bitcoin to hold 20,700. If Bitcoin can successfully dump and not cross 20,700, then maybe, just maybe, we're in for some fun. We can see that the RSI for Bitcoin is heading to the oversold region, and each time it has headed to oversold region in the past 1 month has been good buying opportunities. We saw here on the 18th of June 2022, on the 30th of June 2022, even on the 12th of July 2022, and on the 26th of July 2022. Those has been good buying opportunities. Each time Bitcoin has given a good return. Here, almost 20% return on Bitcoin. Here we had a 28% return on Bitcoin. The last time Bitcoin went to the oversold region, we had another 18% return on Bitcoin. So will the trend continue, or will it just be where we'll start dumping to Goblin Town? Guys, we talked about how this relief rally, yes, the market is pumping. A lot of people are waiting for $28,000, but I just think we might not get that far because a lot of people are waiting for it. There might still be pumps to the upside, but right now the reality of things is that the market is dumping really hard, and all coins that have been outperforming Bitcoin right now, they're outperforming Bitcoin to the downside. They are dumping really hard. Bitcoin bulls defends 23K amidst warning bear market rally alive and well. And right now it looks as if they're not defending that 23K well, because Bitcoin has lost 23K, and 23K was a very, very big attention level for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's 200-week moving average was around 23K, and Bitcoin has been struggling below the 200-week moving average. And we know that from previous bear market cycles, Bitcoin actually finds its bottom around that moving average. So Bitcoin struggling below it is not a good sign for the crypto market. It's not a good sign for Bitcoin. It shows that there's heavy resistance on that level. Another important reason why this bear market rally might not last really long. However, under the surface, on-chain transactions remains lackluster at best. This rally is not yet seen to convincingly follow through in observable demand activity. Guys, on-chain activity is still lackluster at best. It looks as if a lot of people are not still buying Bitcoin. We have not seen the whole demand we had in the bull run. Other news stories happening in the crypto world, Bitcoin network activity decline suggests longer bear market. I told you guys yesterday, I still believe the bear market is not over. If the bear market is over, this will be the shortest bear market Bitcoin has had in its price history. We know that Bitcoin usually takes around 1 year for it to bottom out, and the all-time high for Bitcoin came in November 2021, and that's not still up to a year. So I believe the bear market still have maybe 2-3 months. We might not still go below 17K. We might just be ranging from 22K to 17K in the next 4 months. But guys, remember in 2018 when Bitcoin was ranging for 4 months, and the final capitulation took Bitcoin down 50%. Now there's a lot of argument to show that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in. A lot of indicators we have been looking at to show us whether the top was in, that correctly predicted the top of Bitcoin. It's showing us right now that maybe, just maybe, the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market is in. But if you look at the previous Bitcoin bear market, we'll realize that the bear market didn't just come and go in one flash. Bitcoin bottomed right here, November 24, 2019. After that, Bitcoin ranged for more than 120 days. Bitcoin was trading for $4,200 to as low as $3,100 for a 120-day period before Bitcoin broke out for that major relief rally. Is that what's happening right now? Only time will tell. The crypto fear and greed index is still at fear, and we have been stuck in extreme fear for months on end, but it looks as if we're heading out of fear. We're heading towards greed, but right now we're back to fear. Are we going to go back to extreme greed anytime soon? Only time will tell. But guys, history has shown that the best time to be buying, or the best time to be a buyer, is during fear. But guys, even in the bear market, You just don't want to be gobbling during the fear. We saw even the period in time when Bitcoin was trading for 50,000, 40,000, the crypto fear and greed index was still stuck at fear. So sometimes this index might be wrong, but at the extreme, the index is always right. You want to buy at extreme fear and you want to be selling at extreme greed. Huge news happening in crypto today. Nomad token breach drained of $190 million in fund insecurity exploit. Hundreds of potential exploiters and even some white hat Douglers who intend to return funds appear to have removed all of the breach, 190 million in TVL in just a matter of hours. This is a huge story developing right now. Nomad bridge is getting drained. Your fund might be at risk. You might still be able to withdraw the remaining fund. A lot of people are going there to get some money for themselves. All you need to do was just change the address of the hacker that hacked it to your own address and you will be getting some free money. I saw stories of people that got 1 million, 2 million. A lot of people got a lot of money on these hacks, but guys, very careful out there. Remember, everything on the blockchain can be tracked. A lot of people are saying they want to return their money. Shout out to them. We'll be following these stories in the coming days. Some other news stories is that Ethereum may consolidate as merge excitement wear off, says expert. Ethereum has been pumping really hard. The news of the merge has been pushing Ethereum towards 1,800. Ethereum was trading for $900 just some weeks ago. Ideally, a drop into the end of August to set up for another great entry level. This is a good indicator of a sentiment and interest, but it will eventually break down and become irrelevant. Nevertheless, it might offer some insight into timing Ethereum's price change into the event. So a lot of people are saying maybe, just maybe, Ethereum will pump into the merge. Some people are saying it's a sell the news event, and we can see that Google search results for Ethereum merge is actually increasing. Currently, it's at an all-time high, but it looks as if it's crashing. Only time will tell if the price will follow the Google trend. And let's go at Ethereum price chart. Ethereum was trading for $900 on the 18th of June 2022. In just 44 days, Ethereum rose to as high as 1,800. Ethereum returned 95% in this relief rally. Will the rally continue? A lot of people have been calling for Ethereum to get to as high as 2,000. Somebody was calling for it to get to all-time highs. Guys, the bear market rally, remember, they are always really aggressive to the upside, but when the dump comes, they dump really hard to the downside. So be careful out there. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged in the last 24 hours, and for some short period in time yesterday, we had Polkadot at number 10, and Dogecoin came back to number 11, but right now, order is restored. Dogecoin is back to number 10, and Polkadot is back to number 11. We still have the stablecoin battle going up at number 3 and number 4. USD Theta and USDC are battling it out, and USD Theta has a market cap of $66 billion. USDC has a market cap of $54 million. Number one is still Bitcoin, and number one altcoin in the market is still Ethereum. Tether supply starts to increase after 3 months decline. A lot of people are calling for Tether to implode. A lot of people are actually even shorting Tether on some exchanges. But right now, Tether is back. Right now, USD Tether is back to being pegged 1-to-1 to $1, and we're seeing the USD Tether market cap actually increasing from as low as $65.8 billion on the 29th of July. Right now, it's as high as $66.3 billion. That's a good sign. When the market was pumping, Tether's market cap was actually increasing. So right now, Tether's market cap is increasing. Does it mean the market continue pumping? Only time will tell. The top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours. In the top losers, we have Falcon, EOS, Internet Computer, Lido Finance, Covex Finance. All of them are huge losers in the last 24 hours. They lost more than 10% of their value in the last 24 hours. The gainers in the last 24 hours, we have Chills, Tether Network, Gala, Crohn's, and Ganva. Those are the huge gainers in the last 24 hours. Chills is leading the pack with 14% gain in the last 24 hours. Altcoin season index is back to 37. Yesterday, when we were looking at the altcoin season index, was at 53, the highest we had seen in months. That was the highest we had seen since the rally we had on the 16th of January 2022, where some altcoins were going to the moon. Is the altcoin season index going to head towards all season? Because guys, for us to get towards all season, we have to see the altcoin season index get to a value of 75. Yesterday is what has 53. Yesterday it was at 53. That was a good sign. Is it the beginning of the dump? Is the bear rally over? If you look at the total crypto market cap is still above $1 trillion. We went to as low as $762 billion during the dump. For my own money, I think the total crypto market cap was going to go to $1.3 trillion. It looks as if there's a huge resistance there. And if the total crypto market cap is going to get to $1.3 trillion, it means the total market is going to pump another 26%. Is that possible? Guys, that's very possible, but you want to be careful in the bear market. Yes, all these rallies are good. They are pumping to the upside. You want to sell into those rallies. You don't want to be holding the bag when the markets keep pumping. Other news happening in the crypto world: SEC chart 11 individuals over $300 million crypto pyramid scheme. The SEC have filed a lawsuit in the US District Court against the founders and promoters of Forsage, who had allegedly foiled a $300 million textbook pyramid and Ponzi scheme. Guys, be careful out there. Every day there are bad actors in the space trying to get your money from you. So do your research before you invest in any of these projects. And still on that story, Binance US with DeLeaks AMP following SEC claim token is a security. The SEC have been coming hard on crypto firms. We have seen them going up at Coinbase, going up at Ripple. And right now, Binance is trying to avoid the SEC's trouble by saying, you know what, if you say a coin is a security, we are going to delist it. We don't want any of your trouble. Bitcoin dominance in the market is currently at 42%, but guys, if you notice on the smaller time frame, you can see Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing a little. Yes, altcoins have been pumping, Bitcoin dominance have been falling, but during the bear market, Bitcoin dominance is going to rise. And when it rises, guys, altcoins are going to dump really hard. So be careful with altcoins. I repeat, guys, all coins are very, very risky during the bear market. You don't want to be caught holding the bag. You don't want to be caught shorting all these altcoins at the same time, guys, because a lot of traders have been getting liquidated. In the last 24 hours, over 81,400 traders were liquidated. And if you look at the top coins that were liquidating people, we had Ethereum Classic, Falcon, Solana, Chills, Optimism. Most of them are altcoins. So altcoins are very, very risky to the upside, to the downside during the bear market. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. How low do you think Bitcoin is going to go in this relief rally? Do you think Bitcoin is going to go as high as 28,000 when the market keep pumping? Are we going to hold this $22,000, or are we going to go to Goblin Town? Bitcoin will trade below 17,000. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7